Alright, here's the last two sections on our videos. We have solve for slope-intercept form. So we have three equations. And remember, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Okay, y equals mx plus b. So we have to get our y variable by itself. So what I'm going to do before I even start is go find my y variable because that's what I have to isolate. Okay, so let's take a look at this first one. I know that to get y by itself, I need to get this whole term by itself first. So I'm going to take that 4x and I'm going to get rid of it. 4x minus 4x is 0, so that's gone. We're left with negative 2y equals negative 4x minus 10. So now I still want to get my y by itself. This is negative 2 times y. So to undo that, I have to divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2. Negative 2 divided by negative 2 is 1. We're left with y equals negative 4 divided by negative 2. You can put it in your calculator, but it should give you a positive 2. X, negative 10 divided by negative 2 should give you a positive 5. So here we have a y equals. I just kind of went over into my space. So I'm just going to go ahead and box that in. Y equals 2x plus 5. Okay. So remember, if y equals mx plus b, my m value is here, my b value is here. All this is asking for is for us to fill that in. M equals 2, b equals 5. So let's take a look at my next problem. Here, we want to get our y by itself. So draw your line. I need to get rid of my 5x on both sides. 5x minus 5x is 0. I'm left with 10y equals negative 5x plus 20. Remember, that's a positive 20. And here I want to get my y by itself. Divide by 10, divide by 10, divide by 10. 10 divided by 10 is 1. I'm left with y equals negative 5 divided by positive 10. If you put it in your calculator, will give you a negative 1/2 x plus 20 divided by 10 gives you a 2. Again, y equals mx plus b. Here's my m. Here's my b. M is negative 1/2. B is positive 2. Last but not least, this one requires a little bit more work because there's some parentheses that need to be simplified. This is in point slope form and we need to get it into slope intercept form. So we want to get that by itself. So first things first, remember, if we do our please don't call me after dark, parentheses come first. There's nothing to simplify within our parentheses. So we've done that. Distribute is next. So I'm going to distribute that 1/3. So we have y plus 2 equals 1/3 x. And then 1/3 times negative 9, if you put that in your calculator, alpha y equals enter. 1/3 times negative 9. Oops. Oh no. Alpha y equals enter. 1/3, go out to the parentheses, times negative 9 gives you a negative 3. So we just distributed our 1/3, that's gone. So now we can just get our y by itself by moving that 2 over. So we have to subtract 2 from both sides. That's 0. We're left with y equals 1/3 x. Negative 3 plus a negative 2 is a negative 5. Make sure you put that in your calculator if you're not sure why. And we're now done. So we have y equals 1/3 x minus 5. Same thing as before, y equals mx plus b. Here's my m, here's my b. We have 1/3, and we have negative 5.